Fingerprint, one that can't be wiped away. It's the high-tech way to catch a crook.
In a recreation, a man carries a teacup into a lab.
None of it would have happened without a sharp-eyed British scientist at the University of Leicester.
He sits with a newspaper.
Morning in 1983, geneticist Alec Jeffreys is horrified by the headlines. A teenager has been brutally raped and murdered in a nearby village.
Crime scene photos are taken.
A terrible tragedy, but there's nothing Jeffreys can do about it, or so he thinks. He's using his sharp mind to solve the mysteries of disease, not murder.
Dr. Jane Gitshire.
This was the kind of guy who did not let anything go unobserved. And that is the mark of somebody who is really paying attention. Somebody's going to push back some boundaries that you haven't even thought of yet.
Jeffreys must have been born with science in his genes. He had his first microscope at the age of 8. By 22, he graduated from Oxford with a first-class honors degree in biochemistry. Now, in the mid-80s, he's found his life's work in DNA research, the chemical coding system that makes us who we are.
A woman speedwalks through a park.
It's still a new field, but Jeffreys and his colleagues do know a few things.
A chimp walks through a jungle.
We share almost all of our DNA with chimpanzees. 2, only a small part of our DNA makes us human. And 3, it's just a tiny fraction of our DNA that makes us physically different from one another.